Your dream kitchen just got a lot closer because Black Friday is serving up some of the lowest prices of the year on the appliances and cookware people actually love. If you've been planning to upgrade your kitchen, replace worn-out pans, or add something new to make cooking easier, these savings make it the right time to move. Today we're counting down 40 real Black Friday price drops on top-rated tools and smart kitchen gear. All product links to every deal are in the description, and for live hourly updates, visit thedetailedguide.com. Let's get started. Number 40, Food Processor 14-Cup Vegetable Food Chopper. Starting strong with this 14-cup food processor, down from $319.95 to just $219.95. If meal prep has been slowing you down, this powerhouse handles chopping, shredding, and even dough work with ease. Speaking of making cooking easier, at number 39, the Flay Collaboration Cookware Set, reduced from $299.99 to $249.99. The ceramic surface provides excellent food release, and if you're tired of scrubbing pans endlessly, this collection is worth considering. For those who value consistent heat control, number 38 delivers the Legend 10-piece Tri-Ply Cookware. This Tri-Ply Cookware set is now $189.99, down from $259.99. The even heat distribution eliminates hot spots and prevents uneven cooking. Now let's talk about versatility with the Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11-in-1. At number 37, priced at $219.99, reduced from $229.99. With 11 functions in one appliance, this streamlines your cooking routine significantly. If you're looking for healthier cooking methods, number 36 features the Ninja 6.5-quart air fryer, now $109.99, down from $179.99. Achieve crispy results with significantly less oil for healthier, faster meals. Let's elevate your morning routine with Ninja Luxe Café Pro Series. At number 35, reduced from $749.99 to $634.99. This all-in-one system handles espresso, drip coffee, and cold brew with professional results. For those seeking maximum versatility, number 34 is impressive. The GE Mechanical Air Fryer Toaster Oven, down from $199. Pizza, toast, air frying, and quick meals all handled by one compact appliance. Coffee enthusiasts, number 33 offers reliable daily brewing with Mr. Coffee 12-cup maker. For just $105.80, reduced from $129.99. Straightforward, dependable brewing for home or office use. Time to discuss serious blending power with SYBO Commercial Blender. At number 32, the SYBO Commercial Blender, now $179.99 from $229.99. High-speed blending capability designed for heavy daily use with soups, smoothies, and more. For those who frequently host gatherings, number 31 simplifies entertaining. The Beviliu 8QT Buffet Chafing Dish Set. It features this 8-quart chafing dish set at $169.99, down from $239.99. Keep meals warm and presentation ready for any gathering. Speaking of entertaining, number 30, EGGKITPO 10-liter Deep Fryer. The 10-liter deep fryer is now $195.98, reduced from $244.98. Ideal for events and large batch cooking. Let's accelerate meal prep with number 29, the Ninja Blender and Food Processor Combo. At $159.99, down from $259.99. Blending and food processing in one efficient system. For fresh juice enthusiasts, number 28 maximizes nutrition. The Omega Cold Press Juicer. The Omega Cold Press Juicer is now $351.99 from $399.95. Slow extraction technology preserves nutrients for superior fresh juice. Plant-based lifestyle supporters, number 27 is perfect for you. The MioMat Plant-Based Milk Maker. At $219.95, reduced from $279.95. Fresh oat, almond, and soy milk without additives. For cookware essentials, number 26 simplifies cleanup. The T-Fal 11-piece stainless steel cookware. The 11-piece set is now $159.99 from $269.99. Non-stick performance that significantly reduces cleaning time. Coffee lovers, number 25 offers compact convenience. The Nespresso Festive Vertuo Pop. At $99, down from $159.95. Compact design with fast espresso preparation, perfect for smaller spaces. Now for something innovative. Number 24 addresses kitchen waste, the FoodCycler Eco 5. Now $359, reduced from $599.95. Transform food scraps into dry, low-odor material for an eco-friendly kitchen solution. Now to exceptional cooking with number 23. The DishDelight Induction Pots and Pans. The DishDelight Induction Set comes in at $104.49, down from $139.99. A solid drop that gives you smoother heating, reliable nonstick performance, and easier cleanup across everyday cooking. At number 22, the Gemilai Burr Grinder, now $183.99 from $299.99. Consistent, even grinding for richer espresso flavor. We're entering premium territory with number 21, the Cuisinart MultiClad Pro 12-piece set at $399.95, reduced from $379.95. Trusted performance and steady heat distribution for daily cooking. If you just hopped in, we are counting down the biggest Black Friday deals and savings happening right now. Find every link in the description. For precision cooking, number 20 eliminates hot spots. The Alva Maestro Pan Set, now $300 down from $477. 5-ply steel construction ensures even heat and prevents scorching. Let's perfect an essential staple with number 19, the Cuckoo Pressure Rice Cooker. At $229.99, reduced from $324.99. Smart pressure technology delivers perfectly fluffy rice consistently. Coffee enthusiasts, number 18 combines convenience with freshness. The Garvee Espresso machine at $249.99, down from $280.99. The built-in grinder ensures maximum freshness with every brew. Number 17 combines durability with performance. The Calphalon Hard-Anodized Set, now $199.99 from $289.99. Professional quality construction designed to last for years. Number 16 brings restaurant quality results home. The Bighorn Pizza Oven at $209.99, reduced from $349.99. Achieve high temperatures for authentic restaurant-style pizza at home.
Number 15 combines durability with performance. The Glass Blenders for Kitchen Stainless Steel Professional Blender, now $159.99 from $269.99. Professional quality construction designed to last for years.
18 is the iconic choice. The KitchenAid Artisan Mixer, now $348.99, down from $499.99. Handles thick doughs and heavy batters with legendary reliability. Number 13 adds speed and versatility to your kitchen, the Ninja Double Stack Oven, at $399.95 from $449.95. Dual zone cooking technology lets you prepare multiple dishes simultaneously. For your home environment, number 12 improves air quality. The BreatheSmart Air Purifier, now $349 from $499. HEPA filtration removes allergens, dust, and airborne particles effectively. Back to the kitchen, number 11 brings intelligent cooking to your home. The Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker, now $224.61 from $399.99. Advanced technology automatically adjusts for perfect rice texture. We're entering the top 10. Number 10 brings professional blending power. The Vitamix Propel 750 at $477.95, reduced from $629.95. Professional grade blending for silky soups, smoothies, and more. Number 9 delivers Café quality espresso at home. The DeLonghi Classic Espresso Machine, now $149.95 from $229.95. Consistent pressure and temperature for quality espresso shots. Number 8 represents a significant cookware investment. The iMarku 14-piece Tri-Ply Set, at $399.99, down from $499.99. Professional level construction with superior heat distribution.
Number 7 elevates your entire cooking routine. The New Wave Bravo XL Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven, now $169.99, reduced from $259.99. Multiple cooking modes, precise temperature control, and faster meal preparation.
The Typher Dome 2, at $348.95 from $499.95. Superior airflow technology delivers consistently fast and even cooking. Number 5 is a premium cast iron investment, the Rossellini Dutch Oven, now $152.88 from $459.95. Exceptional heat retention for soups, stews, and artisanal bread, a true heirloom piece. We're in the top 4. Number 4 makes quality espresso accessible. 20-bar compact espresso maker. This 20-bar espresso maker is at $109.98, down from $199.99. Strong steam pressure and user-friendly controls for excellent results. Number 3 completely transforms your table. The Lennox Winter Greetings Dinnerware Set. Now $195.84, reduced from $632.25. Premium porcelain suitable for both daily use and special occasions.
Number 2 delivers high-efficiency cooking power. The New Wave Pro Plus 2 Infra-Red Oven, now $149.99, down from $229.99. Infrared heat technology for rapid, even cooking without preheating. One delivers the most significant savings of this entire list. The Dream X30 Ultra Robot Vacuum, now $399.99, reduced from $1,399. This advanced system features automated floor cleaning, mopping, and self-emptying capabilities. That concludes our countdown of 40 exceptional Black Friday deals. If you found this helpful, please like this video, leave a comment with the deal you're most interested in, and subscribe for more valuable content.